this program is meant to educate children, but I think it educates educators as much as anybody else. Lesson 1 kind of talks about mental health in general and introduces the idea to the children. Lesson 2 focuses in a little more on the commonalities among illnesses and the illnesses that we accept without too much stigma and their similarity to brain disorders or mental illness. And then you can ask the children what all these various parts of the body are. Does this have a little pointer on it? Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I love 21st century technology. We have this part of the body which is, anybody?
The liver.
Oh.
Pancreas.
Pancreas. And if you've got problems with your pancreas, you need to take insulin and we call it diabetes. Okay. These are? Okay. There are problems with the lungs, variety of issues, okay? The children will know best is probably asthma. Because there are lots of kids who work around these days with inhalers or they're in the nurse's office or wherever, okay? This one is the heart, okay? And this is, wait a minute, oh, and now we're back to the boss. Okay, so we've got diabetes, asthma, heart disease, and mental illness. Okay. Next slide will be, okay. Once again, to zero in and reinforce for the students the idea that chances are they have someone in their family who's diabetic or asthmatic or has a heart disease, a sister or mother or brother or aunt or uncle. They may have one themselves. Depending on your relationship with the group, you may want to discuss personal stories because I know in my family we've got 4 out of the 4. And chances are in your families you may as well. And most of us have a story about it. My mother was...
And this is Jimmy Shea. He won the gold medal in 2002 for American Skeleton. And it was the Winter Olympics. And he didn't know that he had a mental illness until he came to the Olympics. And the psychologist at the Olympics diagnosed him with depression. He experienced sadness, irregular appetite, sleep patterns, and it's a number of things. And this is his quote: "If I had to choose between winning a gold medal and overcoming my fear of getting help for depression, absolutely I would choose my treatment. It's just a medal, it's just a race. The rest of my life and being happy, that's priceless."
Stress that you have in your life, or should we think of a stressor that the kids would have? Should we think of the kids' stresses? Yes.
Their peers.
What is it?
Their peers.
Their peers. All right. Fitting in with their peers, having fights with their peers. There's your first stressor.
See, you get help.
Next stress.
Yes.
Family.
Teachers.
School.
All right, now you have to start juggling all the stress in your life.
Yes.
Okay, teachers. So,
Money. That's the
money, right, in this economy, families are struggling. Okay, here you go. Here's your fourth stress. All right, now you have to juggle all 4.
Oh.
And not drop any.
Bueno.
Cat.
I'm trying to help you.
And any more stress? You think you can do 5? Homework.
Yeah.
All right. See if you can drop
I thought I was a clown, but I guess
all the stress in your life.
Yeah, no.
So this is a visual way of kids realizing when you put too much on your plate, too many stressors, you can't do it. So what might be a way that you could get help with this? You can get a friend